Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Medis here, and in this video we're gonna talk about encode method in Python. This method basically returns the encoded version of your string. This method encodes your string with the specified encoding, and if there is no specified encoding, UTF-8 will be the default. So when you have a string and you wanna encode it, you write text.encode and you simply print it. Let's see what we get. So we got this because we didn't specified any encoding here. We got UTF-8. So that was it, simple as that. I put a link below on the description, so if you need further information, you check it out. And that was it, nothing more. Till next one, peace.